waiting for me at the gate, and she thought somebody had abandoned an old van.
I am giving up the hurly-burly of the romantic jungle. I am retiring from an active love life.
Overactive.
Log off, Onslow.
That's no way to speak to an old van.
It didn't take so much starting in those days.
Oh, will you two shut up and listen? I'm going to write my memoirs. Well, I could. Everybody's doing it these days. And I've kept diaries all these years. I could write my memoirs.
Well, that's going to be good news for a few loving husbands round here.
Well, there's no point in writing if you aren't going to be truthful.
There's going to be one hell of a lot of men missing their last trains.
I hope there'll be room in your memoirs, Rose, for boyfriends who are short and fat.
I've never been short of short and fat. When you get to my age, there's a big upsurge in short and fat.
Flowers bloom in an English country garden. Would you like thatch?
Well, I usually have cornflakes.
Richard, pay attention, dear. I'm speaking of our cottage. Should it be thatched, do you think?
You mean as well as heavily mortgaged? You're serious then?
Oh, I like the look of thatch, but is it practical? I mean, when we're entertaining and I've laid one of my elegant executive tables, the last thing I want is bits of straw falling into people's vicious skulls.
Executive entertaining, that's more like you, Hyacinth. We're not really country material.
Oh, nonsense, dear. I shall develop a country version of my candlelight suppers. A sort of plough and soiree. We are farmers born. We are farmers born.
That voice ripped straight through me. She could remove people's socks with a voice like that.
Is this hat suitable, dear?
For what?
For looking at country cottages. I mean, does it look rural in a sophisticated way? Or would you wear this one?
No, it wouldn't suit me.
Don't be silly, Richard. Now concentrate. Which hat? This? Or this?
Hyacinth, I hate decisions of this magnitude. First thing in the morning is unreasonable.
You don't like my hat.
Yeah.
I never said I didn't like your hats.
Richard, is this the first chink in our marriage? I've heard about men in midlife crisis. Now, I'm warning you, Richard. I will not have you being unfaithful to my hats.
When she rings, it's just a question of being quite firm and giving her my excuse. I'm sorry, Hyacinth, but I can't enjoy coffee with you this morning. I have an appointment with my solicitor. Can't enjoy coffee with you this morning. I have an appointment with my solicitor. I'm so sorry, Hyacinth, but I can't enjoy coffee with you this morning. I have an appointment with my solicitor.
Uh-oh.
Uh-uh.
Oh.
Hello? No, I'm afraid I can't. No, not this morning. I'm soliciting. Oh, no. Of course I'm not soliciting. No, sorry, you can't what? You can't invite me for coffee this morning. God, you're you're going to look at property? Yes, I understand. Some other time. That's fine.
Now, I want something with roses round the door. It should create an impression of charm, tranquility, and have an exclusive postcode. Oh, well, at least 3 bedrooms. Absolute minimum. Yes. And it should have every mod con. Yes, I see no virtue in rustic plumbing. How much is that one?
Gonna get myself moving.
Yeah.
Oh, that seems quite reasonable.
Okay.
On a sunken garden. The south-facing conservatory. Very nice. Yes. Now, there should be an L-shaped room for entertaining and a niche or two for my entrée d'art.
Isn't there something cheaper we could convert? Something a bit run down, needs doing up, like me.
Excuse me. Richard, are you losing your nerve?
Yes, it's gone completely.
I'm still here.
You keep her beautifully, Richard.
Well, she doesn't think so. She thinks I'm in midlife crisis. Oh, the car. Yes, Hyacinth likes a clean car.
Why does she think you're in a midlife crisis?
I failed the hat test this morning. That's which one I preferred.
Oh.
Beautiful day, Elizabeth.
Yes, isn't it?
Completely conducive to contemplating cozy, charismatic country cottages. Come along, Richard. Don't just stand there having your midlife crisis. Watch out for the lorry, dear.
Yes, I can see the lorry.
And there's a pedestrian on the pavement.
Doesn't seem a place for a pedestrian.
Aren't you going too quickly?
No, I'm not going too quickly. Zippity doo dah, my oh my world.
You really are in a midlife crisis. I knew it had happened one day. I've been expecting it. Mind the bicycle.
Minding the bicycle, passing the bicycle carefully in midlife crisis.
We shall fight it together.
It's my midlife crisis.
I shall be a tower of strength for you. Watch out for other women.
Where? Where?
Not here, dear, in your midlife crisis. It's a time when men think of other women.
Not me, Hyacinth, I assure you. For me, one woman is enough.
Thank you, dear. Beautiful sentiment. You see, you're getting better already. Think for yourself, Richard. Turn left here.
How do you spell memoirs?
MEMOIRS.
And I thought he was just a big idle slob.
He's a big idle slot that can spell.
You get a warm, cozy feeling being married to an intellectual. If you weren't bone idle, I bet you could have really made something of yourself.
Well, yeah, if I hadn't decided to be bone idle. Is she really writing her memoirs?
Looks like it.
How do you spell virgin?
Is she going back that far?
Oh, that's beautiful. I like that one. One could entertain there.
Hyacinth, we're looking for a country cottage, something simple we can do up.
Yes, of course, dear.
Don't get carried away. Something simple we can do up.
I'm well aware of what we want, Richard.